Beetroot juice is a trending drink these days, and I gotta say I am not surprised at all. From giving you glowing skin to helping you stay energetic, beetroot is a true powerhouse. Who would have thought this humble vegetable can do wonders for your health? But before you jump into drinking beetroot juice, you should know what happens when you drink it every day. You need to know all the pros and cons. And that's what I'm going to be talking about today in this video. Let's get started. What are the main benefits of beetroot juice? Number 1. Great pre-workout food. Recent studies have shown that the consumption of beetroot a few hours prior to any activity is very helpful for the body, regardless of whether you're an athlete or a regular workout addict. This is thanks to the nitrates in the vegetable, which aid in improving your physical performance. They achieve this by increasing the effectiveness of oxygen in your cells and delaying fatigue. A cup of beetroot juice mixed with apple juice is enough to reap its benefits and have a great workout. Number 2. Detox naturally. Beetroot juice contains betalains. These are a type of antioxidant that works as a detoxifying agent. Betalains can help remove toxins from your liver and kidneys, as well as protect your body from absorbing harmful toxins from the environment. It does it by binding with toxins and making them water-soluble so that your body can flush them away with your urine. Number 3. Good for the brain. The nitrates contained in this superfood help increase the blood flow to the brain, which improves cognitive function and reduces the risk of dementia at the same time. Beetroot juice also contains vitamin B6, which aids in the creation of neurotransmitters, the key chemical messengers in the brain. Not only that, but vitamin B6 is one of the best vitamins for improving memory, particularly long-term memory. Number 4. Lowers glucose level. Beetroot juice is also known to help lower blood glucose levels. Research has found that beet juice is able to improve insulin sensitivity in overweight adults. In fact, a study conducted by Cambridge University in 2014 found that consuming even half a cup of beet juice, or 225 milliliters, was effective at decreasing blood sugar levels. Therefore, this refreshing juice is highly recommended for those suffering from diabetes and high blood glucose levels. Number 5. Glowing skin. Beetroot juice is also an excellent source of iron, which is essential for glowing skin. It can also protect your skin from UV damage and gives you a healthy and youthful glow. The antioxidants present in this fruit clear up your skin by removing blemishes, dark circles, and spots. Is it good to drink beetroot juice every day? Beetroot juice is an amazing superfood that is rich in vitamins and minerals. It can help promote good health and prevent diseases such as diabetes and arthritis. However, you need to be careful when consuming high levels of beetroot juice, as it can lead to calcium deficiency. And due to their high levels of oxalate content, it may lead to the formation of kidney stones. Therefore, for the best results, drink no more than 1 to 2 cups per day. When is the best time to drink beetroot juice? The best time to drink beetroot juice is 1 hour before breakfast. You should drink the juice on an empty stomach because it works best when it has no other food competing for its absorption. What are the side effects of drinking beetroot juice every day? If you drink beetroot juice regularly, you have to be careful with its quantity. If consumed too much, it can cause diarrhea, stomach ache, or even dehydration. Beetroot juice is also known to cause anaphylaxis in some people. Many people also experience a change in their stool color after they drink beetroot juice. This is due to the presence of beta-cyanine in the juice that gives the stool a reddish tinge. Lastly, beetroot juice can also slow down the activity of blood clotting. So, if you are taking medications that slow blood clotting, it is better to stay away from it. So there you have it. Now you know what happens when you drink this vibrant and refreshing juice every day. Do you like beetroot juice? How often do you drink it? Let me know in the comment section below.